Yeah, he's getting a join code. Wait, shit. I just jammed it to Icy. Whoopsies. Said join on board.
I do.
Hang on. Actually, join 100 a day. Join the chat. Join farms.
T3.
Alright, sounds fun.
Cheeto's T2 if Cheeto's running. This I'm banning every single account. Like Cheeto, you type some bullshit, banning you.
No, honestly, I respect it.
No,
I'm not that nice guy anymore, dude. I'm not that nice guy anymore, dude. I'm not gonna fucking sugarcoat anything for you fucks anymore. Cause you wanna know why? I don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck about clears. I care about learning how to fucking slip skate. I can't do it.
Okay.
This Cheeto guy's beating me on entrance. Like, I hate this role. Cheeto, bro. This guy fucks everything up. Like, I need a dub 3. What? Sigma, can you dub 3?
I'm not good at it.
Doesn't matter. Look who's in the fucking Cheeto's in the fucking team. Like, what?
What is Cheeto?
Cheeto's fucking ass. I hate you, Cheeto. And I'll tell you why. You type all this bullshit. It's such bullshit. Just get better. I fucking hate you, dude. Let me turn you up to 100%, Cheeto. What are we missing? Bubble? It's Bubble.
Oh, the game top though.
Let's get 18. Come on, bro. Kill it.
Dude.
A Cheeto trolling?
No.
Bro, chill, it's not.
Yeah, I'm blaming
not.
everything on Cheeto.
It's not,
I don't
bro,
care.
it's not.
He wrote a stupid comment today. Wrote a fucking stupid comment this today. I'm not having it. You know what? Cheeto's in the fire team. Parasites.
Hi.
Oh, but Tippy's in the
Damn.
fire team.
Anti-parasite.
Yeah, that is anti-parasite. The thing is, like, if we don't one floor, it's because Cheeto misses his T crash and Parasite doesn't fix that. So, have you gotten better since we last met, Cheats? Surely.
No.
What?
Oh.
How?
No.
I've been gone for a month.
No.
Yes, you have. I have a bot that shows me everyone that farms DSC. You have been playing. You do low mans. We're gonna be fine.
That much.
Fucking, I hate this. Is it left? It's left.
But where's Cheeto at? Yeah. Didn't I predict that?
Go.
Didn't I predict that exact fucking thing? Is like if we don't one floor, it's because Cheeto misses his T crash and Parasite doesn't fix that. He's trolling.
I don't get that. I got damage from them. You hit too late.
Bro, you
you
waited
like-
a decade to fucking go, dude. What's wrong with you? You see him purple, you fucking T crash.
Sure not.
You see me hit, you
Where's
T
Nat?
crash. Like what?
Yippee! I got amplified.
Absolute bastard.
Scan
Back.
back.
It's triple because
that
Cheeto
is
doesn't
me.
like
Overload
actually
is
pick
stunned
them
and
up.
not.
Only calms in his
T2, Cheeto,
counters.
that's me.
Gap. Fucking Dak.
Hobbs. Cheetah.
The run's already like, sure.
Yeah, you're right.
Just having a starter.
Why can't
Yeah,
Cheeto
I'll
learn
put
how to
that down.
fucking T crash? What the hell, Cheeto?
What side do I
start.
get? I'm doing that.
Spawn.
Boy. Wait, that's
Cheat.
so obvious.
So when you hear him call the clone, you T crash him. Is that a deal? Like, this guy's not normal. Like, this guy just doesn't respond. I don't want to play with this fucker if he's just like, I tell him to do something, he just doesn't fucking do it. Like, yeah, fuck
Oh,
you, Cheeto.
yes, Crips, get back. Give me my orb, yeah.
I broke your cord, Cheeto. Pick it up, right? I hope you fucking die, Cheeto. Like IRL. Like seriously. Like your family's fucking worthless if you play like this, nigger. Cheeto, the only time you wait
counter.
to hit the clone. Ah, fuck.
Yeah.
This thing. is if I'm really far away. So you'd like wait for me to hit, and
I,
vice
I
versa.
would so.
So he needs to hit the debuff before you hit him as well. If you hit early, like it's kind of trolling.
Cheetah, don't come to dark side, by the way.
No, let him, because his
Yeah,
transition
No, no,
is
yeah,
gonna be
yeah.
awful.
Dude,
No?
yeah.
Oh my goodness. Listen to my fucking what I'm saying. Like, let him go fucking dark, so his transition isn't fucking worthless.
Oh, okay, wait.
And then H1, you stay light because your transition isn't as awful.
Yeah, and your hunter, so it's just faster anyways. Because I doubt he's getting a super. Cheetos scan this can't go wrong.
Yeah. What? Oh, there's no flag. Okay, I lied.
No podría dormir.
Guys, there's no flag. I don't know why.
Am I tweaking or did he just like not give a call out?
He just didn't. Well, he did, but it was like, this mic is. He's on 200% for me. Holy shit.
400%.
I just didn't even hear a whisper.
What is this
The
screenshot?
crazy
You know,
easiest
what is that
one.
screenshot in Gen chat? What do you mean by that?
Up and a right scan, far left.
Oh, my scanner.
Oh.
His mic.
Oh. Dude, I was looking at inner right and I didn't see it.
That's Cheeto. Take operator. The cheatster. Nice 11 throw team. Throw it out the fucking window.
Oh my god, I got flag. Yes.
Let's go. Did Cheeto get flagged so his fucking transition isn't awful?
Whoa,
Nope,
concept.
Am I not meant to be hitting the first bubble?
There you are.
Go ahead.
Oh right, yeah, you're T2. Yeah, you're T2. Never mind, ignore me.
Holy bro. I'm just, thank you.
Ain't no way Cheeto didn't go dark. No way he'd listen to the fucking H1 rats. God damn it!
Well, either way, it was dark last. Everybody was over.
Oh, he's still fuck. See? You see what I'm saying, H1? I fucking hate
I'm
that.
sorry.
You
I'm
said
sorry.
one-
I'm
You
sorry.
said one thing, this kid will not listen to me, so now that's gonna be in his whole head for the rest of the fucking his life. Fucking worthless fucking.
His transition.
Your elo sucks. Add elo to this game. Bungie, please, then cue me into it. Bro, like that'd be such fire streams, like grinding elo all day. Oh,
ESC elo farming
yeah, that'd be fucking awesome.
for like a month.
Where is it?
It's right side.
I joined in the late era of those farms, I believe.
So probably
Why
like
do you
right
take
after
a
it.
year and a half to teach? It's a button! You're trolling on purpose! Just fucking press your super button, you shitter! And he's
Where is
Duncan Stan! Oh, I hate you! I hate you, Cheeto. I fucking hate you.
You're making Dub 2 come back and scan? That's a crazy one. That's one I haven't seen.
Guy calls it, sees me
Wait.
T-crash, and just doesn't fucking T-crash. Like, he's trolling, so we're kicking him, right? Like, this guy's actually trolling.
Oh,
Pick that up, Cheeto. Or it's either you pick it up or you kill yourself IRL. Each one, I'll be just as happy. I hate him, bro. Yo, like, normally you... No, you have to be trolling. You're not, like, you're actually that shit. There's no way you're that shit, so, like, you're trolling. So, I'm actually putting you on the list. Good calm. Good, thanks for telling me opposite act. Appreciate that, you trolling piece of fucking rat. I fucking hate you. I fucking hate you so fucking much.
Left side.
Why do you have the game? Who let you on the fucking game?
T2. Yep, the entirety of a long run to pick it up. And pre-fire your side bear. Surely, like it's an instinct core.
It was not an insta.
Why join everyone else besides me? I hate all you fucking Destiny players. You're little rat fucks. not making it for the res. I'm sorry. I had to fucking stand on business. I wish there was a way to freeze that door.
It's one stay left.
Oh,
It's one stay left.
don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die.
If you ever see Cheeto in a DSC, fucking rape it.
It's
This guy's worse. You're worse than Cheeto. I hate you. No meme, no troll. I fucking hope you die. I like your third though, Cheeto.
It should have been.
I'd like it to get better.
Alright.
He leave.
Did you kick him?
No, I didn't kick him. It's fucking awful. Like, just left on his own accord. No CN, no nothing. Guy can just kill himself. Like,
Big boom.
at
The
everyone.
bulge
If
38.
I see
Bulge
you
38.
playing
The bulge-
with Cheeto,
The
you
bulge
are
38.
banned.
The bulge 38.
That guy is the worst player
Hang on, I'm spamming bulge.
ever to ever play. You are banned if you play with Cheeto. And I will make sure to dox you. Fuck you at Cheeto. Thank God it left. It's
Ew.
fucking worse than Mike. Than drunk Mike.
That guy is never ever
Oh shit,
winning
sorry.
again. He is never ever joining again. Oh wait, if you hit bubble.
Oh yeah, I got you.
That guy sucks dick. That guy sucks fucking major dick.
That guy is never joining again.
He is never joining again. Yeah.